Hey, hello team, and welcome. Today, I will be showing you how to restore emails from a .mbox file when a client provides it. This is a common scenario when clients migrate from Office 365, Outlook.com, or Google to WHC email services. We can assist clients by guiding them through the process, or if they prefer, we can handle the restoration for them. However, since this is a manual process, we will need to charge the clients for this service if they want us to perform this task for them. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to restore an .mbox file and ensure that clients' emails are successfully imported into their WHC accounts. Now, let me show you. Thank you. Now, you can see that I have already logged into my webmail, which I created for the demo account. Currently, there are no emails. You can see here the list is empty. I have also configured the same account in Thunderbird on my local machine. You can see no messages are there. To resolve this problem and add the Thunderbird ability to import the huge email backup.mbox file, we need an add-in tool here. Now, we need to add a plugin here. It's an add-on for Thunderbird. I will go to Settings and then Add an On Support option. I already have that add-in added, which you can see, but I will go search for the plugin called Import Export Tools. When I hit Enter, it will open a new window. You can see the option and the details there. I'll just add it to Thunderbird. It will take some time, and I will just close these extra windows open with Thunderbird. Now it will be added Thunderbird email app. Now, you can see at the top right, the plugin is showing there. Next step will be, in Thunderbird under Local Folders, I will right-click, and the option will appear. I will select Import the Mbox files, then Individual File. Suppose this is client's backup provided and downloaded to local machine as .mbox. I'll just open it. Now, you can see the folder is showing there, and it has started processing all the emails. It has begun restoring them. It might take a while to restore the emails, as the time required depends on the size of the backup file. In my case, I will pause the video here. Let's go back here. We'll restore the emails locally, and now you can see all the emails start showing. Now you can see that it's around 4,800 emails are there, which were there in the inbox. And now to copy a single email, I will just right-click on that particular email and then go to Copy to Inbox and then that demo account selected. Now when I go to the demo account, it will show the email there in Inbox. Now, if you want to confirm this one email, you can log into the webmail to check as well. Now, I will need the entire inbox there. Then, I will press Ctrl+A, right-click, and copy the emails to the demo account's inbox. This might take a while, depending on the number of emails, so please wait. It will start copying the emails. As you can see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, all the emails are there. They may not appear in the inbox immediately due to the ongoing process, but if you will log into webmail, you can see the inbox have 87 messages now. Similarly, we can handle other folders like Sent, Draft, or any others, depending on the backup. Again, if I log into the inbox in the webmail, you can see all the emails are restoring now. It currently has 87 messages. I will simply refresh, and you can see 116 messages there now. This demonstrates how we will restore the emails. After restoring, we'll need to remove the backup folder that was added during the process from the local folder. That's how we will proceed, and all the emails are there. You can see every email is now restored. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this guide helps you assist clients more effectively. I'll be adding more tutorials soon, so stay tuned. Thanks again, and have a great day.